Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you want to learn how to slay your frontal just like this, stay tuned.
Love the way she wear her hair, lace fronts and all. I love the way she make them stare, do makeup and all. She do hair, she lashes, all kind of shit. Hope you can keep it real.
Okay, so if you're wondering what I'm doing here, all I'm doing is cleaning her forehead with 70% alcohol. This just eliminates any excess dirt or oil on her forehead before applying the glue. When applying my glue, I usually do 3 layers. Well, I always do 3 layers on myself and clients. But for this video, I had to make it short because it was too long, honey. So in this video, you'll just see me applying 1 layer, and then I'm gonna get into laying her frontal. But always apply 3 to 4 layers of glue. And the glue that I'm using is Bold Hold Active. I never get the regular one. I always get Active. I don't know why, but yeah. Y'all, I can already tell, like, before I even did anything with this frontal, I could already tell it was a good lace. She got her frontal from this girl in Gainesville. I forgot what she said her name was, but there's a couple good vendors on Amazon. I will link the names of the companies or the links to the companies in the description box, so y'all can go check them out, see what their prices look like. If you're ever looking for some good quality hair, you know, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, and it's just that on that. Okay, so right here, all I'm doing is laying the edges of the lace that didn't get any glue under it. I'm just taking a little bit of glue and putting it on the tip of this brush comb or whatever you call it. And I'm just lightly putting a little bit under the lace. Try not to get any glue on the lace because you don't want your lace to have like the look, it just, I don't know how to explain it, like, but just try not to get any glue on your lace when you're doing this because you don't want any glue. Just don't do it. Like, I can't explain, but just don't get no glue on the lace when you're doing this. Y'all, I love the natural hairline look. Don't get me wrong, I love the baby hairs, but sometimes it just be something about that natural hairline. Like, I'm doing baby hairs in this video, but just admire this natural hairline right now while you can. Y'all, I don't know why I do this step, but I literally always do this step. I think it's just to keep the flyaway hairs in place while I do the baby hairs. I don't know. But pause and look at this natural hairline. I cannot make this up, y'all. Like, for real. I hate how with frontals, it's always that one side that's way more thicker than the other side. Like, y'all see that? How it's so humpy on this side, and then the other side is just so flat. But right here, I'm just plucking the frontal. I try not to pluck it while it's off the head. I always do it while it's on the head, because I don't want to pluck too much, and I want to know, like, where I'm trying to adjust it or whatever. Like, you see how flat it is if I done plucked all that, y'all. But now I'm just doing the baby hairs. I literally do my, like, when I'm doing my baby hairs, I do them step by step. Like, I do them slowly and I take my time. Like, when people like part out the whole front area and just cut it and then make the baby hairs, I can't do that. For some reason, it just don't work for me. So I had to like take my section piece by piece and then cut it and then just go from there. Like, just like that. Cut it piece by piece, section by section. And that's the easiest way for me. I don't know, different strokes for different folks. Different strokes for different folks. But this is the way that works for me. And then the foam wrap that I'm using is Lotta Body, whole lot of body or something like that. Something. But I always use foam wrap on my baby hairs. I never use like anything else. It just works good for me. I've used mousse and I've used this foam wrap, whole lot of body or a lot of body, whatever. And I prefer this one better. I don't know why. It just do something to the baby hairs. But try not to use a lot, because if you use too much, then your baby hairs will start, not your baby hairs, but your laces start lifting. But, and then I just do the same thing on this side. Part out my baby hairs piece by piece and cut them piece by piece. And yeah, it's really that simple for me. But I take my time with my baby hairs. Like, some people do it so fast because they just so used to it. But right now I'm still learning the baby hair technique. Y'all, we gonna learn together, period. Okay, so now I'm finished with the whole sewing process. Now I'm just taking the wrap off her frontal and boom, look at that. Laid to the T, honey. Yes. Baby hair is on swim. Okay, dolls, that's the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you next time.